Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy HJ. Welcome back to HJ's Garage. Today we'll be removing the alternator on my N54 335i without removing the oil filter housing. Stay tuned. Alright, so the reason I'm removing my alternator on my N54 is it failed on me just a few days ago. I thought this would be one of the last few things I had to do on the car, but hey, it's an N54 life will always come back and bite you. So I will be showing you how to remove that. Most DIY show that you have to remove the oil filter housing, but I will show you a way where you don't, which will make it easier. I'll show you the steps and what needs to be removed. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the electric fan from here. It's one bolt here, it's a T25. Okay. Right, so the next thing we do is we're going to take this coolant pipe that's just sitting here, just pop it off, just move out the way for the moment. Next thing you do is remove the plug for the fan. That again is clipped in here. Okay, move that out of the way. Right. And simply just pull up. There you go. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is take off the belt. It's a T60. That's out. So now that's out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all the cowling. The next thing we're going to remove is this brake booster pipe. The next thing we're going to do is take out the cone filters. Next I'm going to remove this boost line for the blow valve. Okay. That's now off. Right, I'll also unplug the sensor here, the map sensor wire. Next we're going to remove the charge pipe. The next thing I'm going to do is take off the charge pipe silicone coupler. From the J pipe to the intercooler. What we're going to do next is unplug the battery. Should have done at the start. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is remove the 4 bolts for the alternator. And they're 13 mils. Okay, what I'm going to do next is remove the 13 mil power wire that goes to the back of the side of the alternator. That's out of the way. Next thing is a plug that sits underneath here. That's out of the way then. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the 13 mil bolts off. I've already loosened the top. As you can see, we have to remove the intake manifold. Okay, the next thing we're going to have to do is to remove the bolts for the inlet manifold. Okay, they are 11 mils. Okay, there's 7 of them in total. So you only want to remove them, you just need to lift the manifold a little bit so you get the room. Okay. And there are 6 nuts. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to put the manifold outwards a little. Okay, and simply rotate it out. Alright, now we're just going to remove the alternator from here. There we go. Now it comes. Without the need to remove the oil filter housing. So I'm back. from the future actually this time around. And as you can see, I've removed the alternator already. The video was shot a month ago. The car's not actually here, it's up north at the body shop. But we're going to wrap this video up there. We will continue refitting the alternator in the next episode. It's a little bit more involved than the removal, and you'll see why. So don't miss that episode. It's coming on Saturday this weekend, so don't miss that. A quick point, however, you still don't have to remove the oil filter housing. And I'll show you exactly the process as to how we get it in without touching that, because I've already replaced the oil filter housing gaskets again on my car. I didn't take a video of that, unfortunately. I'd have loved to show you a DIY how to do that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, drop some comments down below. Quick point, I wanted to say I really appreciate all the constructive criticism and help all of you have given me. So just a real big thank you for all your support. It really means a lot to me. For those who haven't subscribed to the channel, lightly tap that subscribe button and also hit that notifications bell so you stay up to date with our content, especially the one that comes out on Saturday, so you don't miss that. Because as I've seen online, there aren't very many videos that actually show how to put the alternator back in. It's just boom, it's done. But I will show you exactly how to do it. So also, if you'd like to see more DIYs on the channel, let me know. Drop me a comment down below which particular DIY you'd like to see. So a little sneak peek as to what is coming in the future episodes. I have removed the subframe on my car. I've done the sump gasket. I've done a front main seal. I've done a few little bits and pieces, new arms and what have you. That's all in episodes to come. The videos have already been shot. I just need to edit them and get them out to you guys. I really hope you enjoy that content, because that took me a long time, but it was done right, and I'll run you through everything you need to know on that. So if you want any others, drop me a message down below in the comments. Also, follow us on our Instagram down below. If you want any questions answering, any advice, what have you, give me a shout. I'm more than happy to help. Also, if you would like to see some more sneak peeks into some of the potential projects like this one right here behind me, if you'd like to see what that is, you know, follow us on Instagram. I'll put up a little story once this video is out. So yeah, have a look. We have something coming for you guys, something big. It's not completely confirmed just yet, but it's a sneak peek. I will put a picture on my Instagram. Let's see if you guys can guess what it is. So again, guys, that's a wrap for today's episode. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on our Instagram. We need all the support we can get because this channel is growing little by little with more content coming up in the coming weeks. I've got everything sort of ready to go. So you will see that being uploaded every week. I will be uploading Wednesdays and Saturdays. 12 PM UK time, so wherever you are in the world, I hope that helps, and I really hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.